Want to automate your LinkedIn lead generation with Dripify? Here is a quick step-by-step tutorial to show you how to add leads directly from LinkedIn search the smart way. Step 1. Log into Dripify. Go to dripify.com and log into your dashboard. Make sure your LinkedIn account is already connected. Now click on create new campaign. You have already logged in. I'm not gonna log in for this, so I'll just tell you the step-by-step process. So choose your goal, for example send connection requests or message leads. Then for the step 3, go to LinkedIn and open LinkedIn another app. After, use filters like industry, job title, location or company to target your ideal audiences. Copy the search URL from the address bar. You can search the main thing from here, and then you can just copy paste it. Also, let's just go back to Dripify and paste the LinkedIn search URL into the lead sources field. Dripify will automatically improve the profiles from the search. Finalize your campaign. Customize your message sequence, delays, and steps, then click Launch Campaign. And that's it. Your LinkedIn automation is live. Like, subscribe for more lead generation tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.